Dear students, in this class I have to explain while loop in structure. So how to create the while loop means you have to go to this block diagram and go to the structure and create one while loop here. While loop means it is continuously running until you have to press this stop button. This is the stop button is already existed here. So we have to create one control. So I have to right click here and create control. So it will automatically indicated in the stop button in the front panel window. So by using this while loop, we have to do a simple program. That is, I have to maintain the level of the tank at 250 mm. If the level of the tank exceeds more than 250, the tank will fill and the output LED will glow. This is our task. Okay, let's see how to do the program by using this VA. So I have to right click here and go to this numeric control and create two horizontal slider here. And I have to enlarge the size of the slider and I have to change the value from 10 to 250 here. Here I have to change the value from 10 to 300. After that I have to create one tank to observe the level of the water and I have to change the value from 10 to 500. After that I have to create one boolean indicator to observe the on off condition. So I have to enlarge the size of the indicators. After that I have to select the functional block. It is in the block diagram window. So I have to go to this block diagram window and go to this numeric functional palette and select this addition function. Then I have to create one comparison functional block. So I have to go to this comparison functional block and select this greater than or equal to functional block. After that I have to connect the input and output by using the wire. So I have to add this two number and the output value is compared with the value of 250. If the value is greater than 250, the tank will fill and the output LED will glow. So I have to create one constant value. So I have to right click here and create one constant and apply the value of 250. Okay. So I have to compare the output value with the value of 250. Okay. Then I have to create one indicator to observe the loop count. So I have to create one indicator here. So I have to change the name as loop count. Then finally I have to increase the value of the slider and run the program. Okay. So while loop means it is continuously running. So if the value is greater than 250, the tank will fill and the output LED will glow. Less than 250 means it is in off condition. See the loop count. The program is running very fast. So to reduce the time, we have to use one delay here. So I have to stop the program. This stop button is used to control the while loop only and this stop button is used to control overall VI. So I have to create one time delay. So I have to go to this timing functional block and select this wait function. And I have to give the delay time. So I have to right click here and create one constant value. Okay. So I have to apply the value of 1000 milliseconds. It means every 1000 milliseconds one loop will be executed. See the loop count. Again I have to run the program. So every 1000 milliseconds one loop will be executed. You understand the concept? So I have to explain the cluster in the next class. Understand? Thank you.